toast to day 8. Day 8, part 2. The fun must continue. You know? Welcome to Cuba. Feels good. You gotta have a thirst for life. Water is always your friend. It's not your enemy. You drink on Monday, drink on Tuesday, drink on Wednesday, drink on Thursday. Comes Friday, you gotta drink water. Water is your friend. It's not your enemy. All right? So I'll say you can stay clean, look sharp. You know, people might ask you like, man, how is it that your skin is not losing its elasticity yet? I'm like, hey, I drink water.
We're going to the Factory Art Center. It should be good. Let's go.
C'est pas cher non plus.
Après, c'est 500 pesos cubains, c'est rien du tout.
C'est rien du tout. 500 pesos, c'est 5 euros. Hein. C'est ça, non? C'est même moins de 5 euros.
¿Desean hielo?
No.
Cuba Libre, what's... Sorry, no hablo español. What's the name?
Santiago, 11 años.
Cuba.
Santiago de Cuba, 11 años.
Ok, gracias.
¿Desde la foto?
No, la Vinicius. Gracias.
Et on t'acclame. Let's go. Okay.
People always ask me, why is it that your skin is always staining as if you are 20 years younger? My secret? Come here, I'll tell you my secret. My secret is water. Yes, I drink a lot of water. No, I drink a lot of water. If you know somebody who drink liquor, alcohol, or smoke a lot throughout the whole week, their liver is what's changing the skin. Once the color of the liver changes, the skin start to change. So I make sure I feed my livers. Once I feed them, they feel great and they keep me young, strong, and powerful. Whoa, that's my secret. It's like another, we're gonna get drunk off of this water. It's like another zip, because I gotta get drunk off of this water. Ooh. Water, my friend, water is good for you. Toast. What it is good for? Absolutely healthy. Ooh, yeah. What it is good for you? Absolutely healthy. You gotta drink a lot of water. So I'm gonna step out. You gotta make sure I drink at least 4 cups, of water. So it stays in my stomach. When I go out there, I do whatever I gotta do. There's water in my system. Especially here in Cuba, you don't want to get dehydrated. All right, I'm gonna take a picture real quick.